contest called Pop the Balloon. It's gonna involve Edison and Ian and Mommy. So this is how the contest goes. We have 2 sets of balloon bags. Each one has 72 balloons each, okay? Each one is going to pop each of these bags. So Edison and Ian is gonna pop the first 72 balloons, and then Mommy's gonna pop the other 72 balloons, and the one who pops the balloons the quickest wins the prize. But it won't be fun without audience, right kids? Now I have my furry friends over there. They're gonna be watching this whole contest. Let's see who's gonna win. They're gonna be cheering for Mommy, or they're gonna be cheering for Edison and Ian. So here are the prizes here. We have 3 big balloons, okay? One of these balloons have a prize in it. So the winner gets to choose which balloon they're going to pop. We have the red balloon, the green one, or is it this one, or the orange one? I hear something in there. Could be this one. Well, we gotta find out. The winner gets to pop one of it. You guys ready? Let's start! Edison, Ian, Mommy's gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win.
No, I will. Look, I got muscle. You got muscle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we're gonna see who's gonna win. Are you gonna wear this? Are you gonna wear this? Okay. Ian, you ready? You're not scared. It's Edison that's scared of this, huh? You too? Okay, let's put on your little gear then, okay? Okay, so we have the stopwatch here. It's gonna time them to see how fast the boys are gonna finish popping the balloons. You guys ready? All right. Start. Come on, jump it faster. Mommy's going to beat you. That's slow.
Yeah, I'm going to beat you, alright?
Whoa, we're getting faster. Whoa, look at Ian. You want the green one? Are you sure you want the green one? Okay. Go ahead and pop the green one. Let's see what's in there. I see. Whoa! Oh, look! You got prizes in there. What is that?
Train.
Oh, it's train. Okay, kids. Go ahead and open your prize. Whoa! What is that? Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. Ooh. You got the green train. This is Percy. And then which one did you get, Edison? Ooh, you got the red train. Who's the red train? It's James. All right, kids, let's clean up.